Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can enable live captions in Microsoft Teams so you can read what's being said during meetings. So what you will have to do is go to your Meet section, which is right here, and now you will just have to join a team meeting and just go ahead and click join and then join now and just wait for it to connect basically. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will click more actions, which is right here. And what you will do is you will look for language and speech, and then you will just have to click show live actions and go ahead and click that. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And the captions will appear at the bottom of the meeting window in real time. And to turn it off, you will just have to do the same thing, which is go to more again and then go to language and speech and then click hide live captions. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And by the way, live captions work best with clear audio and minimal background noise. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.